Richard, welcome back here again. Thank you for coming again. Time is, wait, it's 3 a.m. I wake up 2 p.m. guys. And I'm trying to sleep back, but I can't sleep back. So I'm going to live. I'm good, but I am not good. Mosquito was attacking me. Mosquito waking me up. Speak English. Aribodin, Korea. I am not Korea. I'm from Philippines. So you can speak English or Tagalog. Ayaw kong mag-jacket guys. I don't like to wear jacket while I'm sleeping. But mosquito attack now. Good morning at 3:19 a.m. Yeah, you're right. 3:19 a.m. Hey Pijako. How are you, Big Richard? I see you. I think about you. Ay. How are you, Hiki Joko? Hiki Joko, Hiki Hapo. I don't know how to pronounce. Hiki. Oh, you are so sweet. Sweet like honey. Sweet like honey. Hello, Anthony, Mr. Nice. Anthony, you can drop your YouTube link here. Then everybody will subscribe you. Thank you so much, Big Richard. You can subscribe also guys to Anthony E channel. You have a channel also. He's doing live. You're so very welcome. Thank you so much, Big Richard. Thank you. Download Berita, bigadang kita birada. Ha? Hindi na birada, Berita, bigadang birada. Birahi. Hello 5 million. Good morning guys. I can't touch my phone in the other side guys.